See how to diagnose and replace a Whirlpool washer drain pump. First, remove the screws located at the back of the control panel. There are 4 screws to remove. Then slightly pull the control panel, lift it up and carefully flip it back. Remove the metal clips by releasing them with a screwdriver. Disconnect the door switch wire harness. Now to remove the washer's body, simply tilt the body towards you and pull it back. Using a set of pliers, release the metal tighteners and push them back in order to remove the pipes. Be ready for some water to come out when you remove the water pipes. Then, release the metal clips from the pump and pull the pump out. Check the pump and pipes for blockage or a clogged pipe. If everything looks okay, the pump needs to be replaced. Install the new pump by aligning the pump socket with the motor shaft and fit the pump in. When the pump in place, insert the metal clips and tighten them on the pump. Fit the water pipes back to the pump and using set of pliers, move the tighteners back on the pipe's end. Touch and shake all the parts to make sure everything is tight and steady. Install the body by laying in a reverse motion to removing it. Make sure the body is aligned with the metal teeth located at the bottom of the machine. It is okay if the body is slightly shaking at this stage, but it's not supposed to move freely from its base. Insert the metal clips back to their place and apply pressure until they are fully inside the body. You should hear a pretty loud snap sound. Flip back the control panel and slightly push it back. Install back the 4 screws located at the back of the machine. You can find a link to the pump at the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.